Today we talk about next program about menopause. What does it mean in our life of woman? Now we talk about the mind. Mind for the woman in menopause, it's very important, and I would like to present for you my present. It's a meditation which called tenderness. So you just sit comfortable in your chair, look your beautiful eyes and relax your body. Several breaths in, breathe out. Breathe in and say yourself, I love you. I love you. Breathe out. Say again, I love you. Breathe in, I love you. Breathe out, I love you. Breathe in, I love you. Breathe out, I love you, and relax. And then we start our journey in our body inside to find the small place inside you, inside your heart, where is the tenderness lives. Tenderness comes in our life when your mother first time touch you and you feel the velvet of your breast, velvet of your skin against your skin. It's a tenderness. Tenderness comes when you just have contact with a small cat, which is so tender, or whipped cream. Whipped cream very, very tender. When you just find your tenderness, it's a door to the love. Open this door. And then just experience how tenderness starts to grow. Tenderness touch you heart, and heart start to trembling. So tender. Stomach grow, touch your skin, all of the skin from your toes to the top of the head. All of the skin is so tender. Let your eyes be so tender, your mouth, your ears. Now make your brain very tender, just a little bit soft. My brain is very tender, and the tenderness is growing, and just feeling all of the room around you. The air starts to be so tender around. Maybe in another room sit another persons, maybe your husband, boyfriend, or colleagues. Just touch them with tenderness. And your tenderness, feel all of your small place, all of the building, and still growing. All of the your small city or town, you feel with your tenderness. And still it's a lot. You go down and up, to the west and to the east, to the south and to the north, and feel all of the places with your tenderness. Love me tender, love me sweet, never let me go. And your tenderness travel all over the world and touch the hearts of all of the people. All of the animals, all of the birds, all of the water sources up in the sky, down in the earth. All of the planet filled with your tenderness, and you still have a lot. It's increasing and filling all of our universe. Milk pass all around. You feel that you can't bear this anymore, and you start to taking your tenderness back inside you. Make it smaller. Pack it inside in your heart. Inside in your heart. It's a house of your tenderness. It's a door for your love. Without tenderness, there is no love. Let tenderness touch your lips, and the beautiful smile come to you. You are tender. Take the inhale, and with exhale just relax your body, open your beautiful eyes. Bell Books wish you a beautiful day with a lot of experience, with new things coming in your life. I don't know what happens, but I know only one thing. All of the wisdom of the world is inside you. I just touch your heart and touch your wisdom. And usually you think, oh, I know this. Yes, you know a lot of things what I'm talking about in advance. I just remind that to you. Be tender. Be happy. Be light for many, many people. Bell Books, your personal advisor in your path to wise woman. Bye. I meet you in the next program.